With everything we do in life, we identify ourselves. Here is a man who says harsh words to me. I feel anger coming on me. In a few seconds, anger and I are one. And then comes misery. Attach yourselves to the Lord and to nothing else, because everything else is unreal. Attachment to the unreal will bring misery. There is only one existence that is real, only one life in which there is neither object nor subject. But unattached love will not hurt you. Do anything, marry, have children, do anything you like. Nothing will hurt you. Do nothing with the idea of mine. Duty for duty's sake, work for work's sake. What is that to you? You stand aside. When we come to that non-attachment, then we can understand the marvelous mystery of the universe, how it is intense activity and vibration, and at the same time intensest peace and calm, how it is work every moment and rest every moment. That is the mystery of the universe. The impersonal and personal in one, the infinite and finite in one. Then we shall find the secret. He who finds in the midst of intense activity the greatest rest, and in the midst of the greatest rest, intense activity, he has become a yogi. He alone is a real worker, none else. We do a little work and break ourselves. Why? We become attached to that work. If we do not become attached, side by side with it, we have infinite rest. How hard it is to arrive at this sort of non-attachment. Therefore, Krishna shows us the lower ways and methods. The easiest way for everyone is to do work and not take the results. It is our desire that binds us. If we take the results of actions, whether good or evil, we will have to bear them. But if we work not for ourselves, but all for the glory of the Lord, the results will take care of themselves. To work you have the right, but not to the fruits thereof. The soldier works for no results. He does his duty. If defeat comes, it belongs to the general, not to the soldier. We do our duty for love's sake, love for the general, love for the Lord. If you are strong, take up the Vedanta philosophy and be independent. If you cannot do that, worship God. If not, worship some image. If you lack strength even to do that, do some good works without the idea of gain. Offer everything you have unto the service of the Lord. Fight on. Leaves and water and one flower. Whosoever lays anything on my altar, I receive it with equal delight. If you cannot do anything, not a single good work, then take refuge in the Lord. The Lord resides within the heart of the being, making them turn upon His wheel. Do thou with all thy soul and heart take refuge in Him.